Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make butter ghee. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of unsalted butter. Cut the butter into small cubes to help it melt evenly. Place these butter cubes into a heavy-bottomed pot, then set it over a medium-low heat. Stir the butter gently as it melts to ensure it heats consistently and prevents sticking. As the butter melts, it will begin to simmer gently. You'll notice it separating into 3 distinct layers: foam on top, clear butterfat in the middle, and milk solids at the bottom. Carefully skim off the white foam that forms on the surface. Continue to cook on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the water to evaporate and the milk solids to brown. You'll know your ghee is ready when the middle layer becomes clear and a beautiful golden color. The milk solids at the bottom of the pot should turn a light, nutty brown. Immediately remove the pot from the heat to prevent burning. Let it cool for a few minutes. Then carefully strain the warm ghee through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean, dry glass jar. Once cooled, your homemade ghee will solidify into a creamy, golden texture. Store it in an airtight glass container in a cool, dark pantry, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 months. For longer storage, you can refrigerate it for up to 1 year. Ghee has a high smoke point of 485 degrees Fahrenheit, making it excellent for high-heat cooking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.